My lord, the contention of the petitioner is that
जी
because of this, they have marked air also as the right option.
जी
The merit list of the
वकील साहब आपने
McDonald's-
पहले तो गलती ये करी कि आप सोचा कि कोर्ट ध्यान नहीं देगा, एयर एंड सॉइल लिखा दिया आपने, पहले ए एंड बी लिखा दिया, थोड़ा सा ख्याल रख के बहस करिए। अभी आपको मैंने बताया ना, दिस इज नॉट योर अंकल्स कोर्ट।
No, my lord, my lord.
हाँ, दिस इज एन इंडिपेंडेंट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल कोर्ट
My lord,
which will deal with the matter on its own merits.
my lord, my lord.
Face value will have no effect.
My lord, I will come to my lord another question, my lord.
So is this question you give up? चलिए next question. Yes.
मतलब
Next.
इसमें एक और सोर्स है, my lord. I may rely lordship
जी।
with my lord's permission.
हाँ हाँ
My lord, that source has been given in WP 5075, your lordship.
5075, एक मिनट रुक जाइए, किस नंबर पे लगी है? हाँ 5075, यस। उसमें क्या सोर्स है?
My lord, that is at page number 86, your lordship.
86
Annexure P8.
P8, yes.
Page number 86.
हाँ
Starting from page number 86, there was
नहीं,
a report.
P8 is not starting from
No, that was not starting from 86, your lordship. That is starting from page number 47.
जी
And I am relying on the page number 86, your lordship.
जी
That was the report of the Himachal Pradesh State Pollution Control Board, your lordship.
जी
My lord, the relevant page is page number 90.
जी
My lord, there was a point related to compliance of noise pollution rule 2000.
जी
My lord, may I read from the it's important from
जी
everyone deserves to have a good night's sleep, and even when they are traveling. However, noise is the most frequent complaint from hotel guests. Hotels have quite a few noises generating sources such as pumps, motors, DJ sets, the sound produced in banquet halls, and external noise sources. Such sources of noise pollution also disturb people living in the vicinity of hotels. Some effective methods to reduce noise in hotel include green muffler is a technique of reducing noise pollution by planting 4-6 rows of trees around the hotel so that dense trees reduce noise pollutions as they filter out the noise and obstruct it from reaching the citizens.
जी
Installation of retrofitted device in DG
वो तो
sets.
ठीक है, ये बताइए कि एयर इज एक्सक्लूडेड। एनसीईआरटी की बुक क्या कहती है, दिखाइएगा।
In this case only,
एनसीईआरटी की बुक क्या कहती है?
in a reply to
Also, I stand
file.
corrected. It's not NCERT, it's elementary biology. The book is
एलिमेंट्री
Truman's
बायोलॉजी
Elementary Biology.
किसकी?
Truman's Elementary Biology for class 12.
हाँ, कौन सा पब्लिकेशन है ये
Well,
ट्रूमैन?
it's Truman Book Company. Well, it's,
कौन सी है ट्रूमैन? ये तो
I just read it. We have also filed this, my lord, so I'm just giving.
हाँ,
Relevant is at page number 4 of this.
जी पैरा 4 में क्या लिखा है? ग्रीन मफलर और ग्रीन बेल्ट,
Vegetation.
ग्रीन मफलर और ग्रीन बेल्ट vegetation in is rows of trees and shrubs and serve as noise absorbers. It reduces air pollution because the trees and shrubs. It may reduce, but green muffler जो है, that is to prevent the noise absorbers, to noise pollution. Air pollution may be an extra this thing.
What's fourth
जब
time?
यूपीएससी कह रहा है कि नॉइज ही है, ये ऐसे प्राइवेट इनके थोड़ा ना मान ली जाएगी,
Green
इनकी क्या
muffler.
ऑथेंटिसिटी है इनकी?
It's green muffler or green belt vegetation is specially planted along roads and rails of absorption of noise, pollutant gases and dust generated by moving vehicles.
It also reduces air pollution. That does not mean what you have said is something. What is the question? Please come back to the question.
Question 8, page number 33.
P6 में उसी पहले वाले में देख लेते हैं ना, 5वां नंबर 28
Green
नंबर का
muffler is
क्वेश्चन।
related to pollution.
Green muffler is related to pollution of. Okay. Okay. ठीक. Next question.
My lord, next question is related to the,
उसी में ओरिजिनल में आ जाइएगा 3141 में,
my lord,
वहीं से बताइए।
my lord, question number 63 at page number 34.
63 years.
Page number 34,
And they changed it to Delhi.
my lord, my lord.
Yes. हमने इनसे पूछा भी था कि हेडक्वार्टर ऐसे,
My lord. And I have
प्लेस ऑफ
relied,
सिटिंग में भी डिफरेंट, हेडक्वार्टर इज समथिंग डिफरेंट।
my lord.
If the Chief Justice sits at Gwalior, that does not mean that the principal seat of the High Court will shift to Gwalior. It is, I'd given this specific instance, I remember that.
My lord, my lord. At that point of time.
Also, we have received communication from, well, we also contacted AKFI
Mm.
for this very purpose. My lords, and we have got some letters that were of from 7/8/2019 or 14th April
नहीं नहीं, उससे
2020.
लेटर से नहीं होगा वकील साहब।
Lords,
मैंने
there
आपसे
is-
पहले भी कहा था कि the bylaws of the federation should permit change of headquarter from A place to B place. ठीक है, मैंने आपसे एक निवेदन किया था, बायलॉज लेकर आइएगा, उससे पढ़ के बताइएगा, लेटर्स से नहीं होगा। लेटर्स
Lords,
आर,
this
ये
is-
सब पॉलिटिकली गवर्नड
memorandum-
फेडरेशंस हैं ये।
There is a memorandum of association of constitution of the Amateur Kabaddi Federation
क्या
of
कहता
India.
है वो?
Its second line is the registered office
हाँ,
of the federation will be situated at the place of general secretary or president of
दैट
the
इज द
federation.
रजिस्टर्ड ऑफिस। हेडक्वार्टर्स के बारे में क्या कहता है?
My lords, there is no specific wording as
So
headquarters.
My lord, I have relied on a source, your lordship, at page number 43.
43 of this only?
My lord, yes, your lordship.
P6 में ही है? नहीं,
मतलब-
43
43, my lord.
P6 में, P7 में?
P6, your lordship. So, my lord, P7. I stand corrected. Page number 43.
43
That was certified by the Secretary General.
जी, इंडियन ओलंपिक एसोसिएशन।
Yes, your lordship. May I read for your lordship?
जी,
This
मैच्योर
is-
कबड्डी फेडरेशन ऑफ इंडिया विद हेडक्वार्टर एट आकांक्षा इतना प्रेजेंटली हेडेड बाय मृदुल भदौरिया जी एज इट्स प्रेसिडेंट एंड यस यस हेडक्वार्टर ऑफ मैच्योर कबड्डी फेडरेशन। जी
इसका हेडक्वार्टर्स तो वहीं
यस
My lord. Thereafter, my lord, may I come to question number, third question?
हाँ, थर्ड क्वेश्चन
That
प्लीज।
is question number 7, your lordship,
7
at page number 35.
इसी में ना,
Yes, sir.
P6 में ही ना?
P7 में, P6 में, lord.
P6 में,
P6,
yes.
P6.
जी
Page number 35.
यस
In which of the following year was the freedom of press given by the Lord William Bentinck?
जी
There were 4 options given. A, 1832 AD, B, 1833 AD, C, 1834 AD, and D was 1835 AD.
जी
Now, the petitioner is contending that the framing of the question is wrong, your lordship.
wrong, yes. It was not William Bentinck who had given the freedom of press.
My lord, my lord.
जी
And for that, your lordship, source has been annexed in this, your lordship, that annex of P7, page number, starting from page number 44, which has been extracted from the site of the NCRT.
P4 page 44 yes
And relevant part is at page number 55, your lordship,
55
my lord.
जी
On the last column, Your Lordship,
जी,
they have later.
it is Sir Charles Metcalfe.
Metcalfe, abolition of press restriction.
Hmm.
That was not given by the Lord William Bentinck, Your Lordship. Even the respondents in their reply also have
जी,
respondents in their reply also stated that may I read the page 13 of their reply
जी,
in that objection set, Your Lordship.
preliminary submission वाला,
My Lord, there was a preliminary submission
जी,
on
इसका
behalf of
page
the
13,
page 13, Your Lordship.
जी,
They themselves accepted that fact. अभ्यर्थियों से प्राप्त आपत्तियों एवं दस्तावेजों का सूक्ष्म परीक्षण किया गया। अभ्यर्थियों द्वारा प्रश्न के किसी भी उत्तर विकल्प के संदर्भ में कोई आपत्ति दर्ज नहीं की गई। प्रश्न के मूल भाव प्रेस को स्वतंत्रता किस वर्ष में प्रदान की गई के आधार पर विकल्प डी को सही उत्तर स्वीकार किया जाएगा। अतः आयोग द्वारा दिया गया प्रारंभिक उत्तर डी विकल्प की सही मान किया जाएगा। अभ्यर्थी द्वारा प्रश्न की संरचना में लॉर्ड विलियम बेंटिक के साथ मेटकॉफ को भी अंकित किया जाने की आपत्ति मान किए जाने योग्य। That was abolition of press was not passed in
नहीं वो है ही नहीं ना,
my lord.
विलियम बेंटिक है ही नहीं,
Yes, Your Lordship. That was Charles Metcalfe.
जी, जी,
And the respondents also relied on the sources, Your Lordship.
ठीक है, वो तो
Whether it is
अंडरस्टूड है। चलिए आगे अगला क्वेश्चन चलिए,
My lord, the other two questions are raised in other petition, Your Lordship.
पिटीशन नंबर
WP 5075,
5075, यस,
my lord. There was a question at question number 50, Your Lordship, at page number 43.
एनेक्चर,
Annexure P8, Your Lordship.
जी,
I stand correcting the Lordship. Annexure P7.
जी,
P7.
जी,
That was of C, set C.
जी,
At page number 43, may I read the question, Your Lordship?
जी,
On whom did Bal Krishna Sharma Naveen write two kavyas, Pranarpan and Atmosarg?
जी,
And there are options of Ganesh Shankar Vidyarthi, Jay Shankar Prasad, Prabhakar Machave, and Makhanlal Chaturvedi.
प्रभाकर माचवे,
Makhanlal Chaturvedi.
जी,
मतलब उसका हिंदी अनुवाद एट पेज नंबर 47 P8 पे है।
पेज 47, P8, यस, जी,
Although that was from the different site, my lord.
जी, किस पर लिखे?
मतलब
बालकृष्ण
बाकी-
शर्मा नवीन ने दो काव्य प्राणार्पण एंड तथा आत्मोत्सर्ग
आत्मोत्सर्ग।
किस पर लिखे?
मतलब that is related to Atmosarg, your lordship.
जी,
I am relying on that. मतलब sources are starting from page 47 of Annexure P8.
जी, जी,
मतलब in the mid of that page, your lordship,
यस,
on the third para,
जी,
मध्य प्रदेश के सुजालपुर तहसील के मयाना ग्राम में 3 दिसंबर 87 को, मतलब उसका लास्ट लाइन पढ़ना चाहता हूँ मैं,
जी, जी,
with my lord's permission.
गणेश शंकर विद्यार्थी पर दो काव्य।
My lord.
So the correct answer is गणेश शंकर विद्यार्थी।
My lord, that is not the contention which I am relying, your lordship.
Hmm.
That the framing of the question is wrong, your lordship, because there are two kavya, Pranarpan and Atmosarg are written by the
ठीक है सर,
Balkrishna Naveen.
आपने क्या, इन्होंने क्या ऑप्शन रखा है, आपने क्या ऑप्शन दिया है?
मतलब हम contention of the petitioner is that the framing of the question is wrong.
नहीं ठीक है petitioners
इनका कहना है लॉर्डशिप प्राणपण और आत्मोत्सर्ग पे.
submits
And
that
the bar petition Naveen has written to कहा
the
पे
question is wrong. It show that second book is not Atmo but Atmo ठीक है चलिए और बताइए.
there are sources which are I have relied a lot.
ठीक है वो देख लिया बता दिया आपने. चलिए और बताइए.
On these questions, my lord, the petition.
These 4 questions हो गए ना.
My lord, 4 questions.
जी.
There was one more question which I have relied, but the PSC has given their reply. I'm satisfied on that, your lordship. I'm not.
ठीक है.
contradicting
all
that.
of you यही 4 क्वेश्चन है हर सेट
Yes, ma'am.
सभी पिटीशंस.
Yes, ma'am.
जी. हाँ एजी साहब बताइए. इन्होंने तो 4 पे रिस्ट्रिक्ट कर रहे हैं तो आपको क्या तकलीफ है? आप चाहते हैं कि हम 3 पर और लिखें? जी जी.
नहीं सर मैंने भी मिल लिया है कि
पार्टी वाले स्टेट वाले.
Well, before replying to their submissions with regard to few questions which they have.
they are concentrating
जी.
only on 4 questions.
4 questions.
ठीक है आप क्योंकि बाद में आए इसलिए आपको बता दें.
जी.
पहले ग्रीन मफलर है पहला क्वेश्चन.
वो
ठीक
मैं
है.
बता दूं.
दूसरा क्वेश्चन जो है ये कबड्डी फेडरेशन है.
बिल्कुल.
तीसरा ये लॉर्ड विलियम बेंटिक है.
जी.
और चौथा जो है ये नवीन कवि जो है इनके बारे में है नवीन शर्मा. ठीक है.
जी.
बालकृष्ण शर्मा नवीन.
जी.
We'll concentrate only on these 4 questions.
Okay. So before
ठीक है ना
answering,
मिस्टर
before-
you all are in agreement ना जिससे कि टाइम एंड एनर्जी बचेगी.
जी जी.
ठीक है. यस.
जी. So before replying to their submission, but on the last date of hearing, we most humbly submitted before your lordship, my lord, that after publication of the model answer key, my lord, whether how many petitioners are there who submitted their objection, and they need to disclose it, my lord. Some of them submitted their chart, my lord, that how many petitioners have submitted their
चलिए
objection.
अपन इन्हीं को लेते हैं.
तो-
आपके पिटिशनर ने चारों क्वेश्चन जिनको आपने आपत्ति उठाई है उनके बारे में आपत्ति दर्ज की थी पीएससी के सामने की नहीं की थी?
Some of the petitioners have raised their objections, your lordship.
In regard to all the 4 questions.
Yes.
With some questions, because my lord.
नहीं, we are
in two
dealing now.
questions-
No.
my lord, in
Mr.
some
Pachori
questions-
said that overall 7 questions were
My lord.
disputed. You have gracefully restricted your arguments to 4 questions.
My lord.
ठीक है. So we will not be dealing with 3 other questions. ठीक है. अब इन 4 क्वेश्चन के बारे में आप सबकी नहीं किसी ना किसी की आपत्ति है इतना बता दीजिए.
My lord, सिर्फ 2 questions में objections raise नहीं होना था क्योंकि प्रोविजनल आंसर की मैं आंसर सही दिया था. उसके बाद उस पीएससी has changed their options, your lord.
अच्छा इसलिए आपत्ति नहीं हो सकती.
उन 2 questions में
एक हो गया ग्रीन मफलर वाला हो गया
my lord.
और
And
दूसरा
other was
फ्रीडम ये कबड्डी
Kabaddi
फेडरेशन वाला.
Federation, my lord.
जी ठीक है. हाँ इन 2 के बारे में आपने सही ऑब्जेक्शन दिया. ऑब्जेक्शन दिया था विलियम बेंटिक और बालकृष्ण नवीन जी के बारे में।
My lord, for William Bentinck, your lordship, some of the petitioners has raised objections, your lordship. I have prepared the chart, your lordship, and I have filed that with my
ठीक
accompanying
है,
memo.
किया था ना कुछ नहीं?
My lord,
ठीक
my
है,
lord, कुछ नहीं किया
चलिए
है.
चलिए।
In that DP and in WP 5075, she has raised objections regarding both the questions, Naveen, Balkrishna Naveen and that
ठीक है,
William
ठीक है।
Bentinck question.
चलिए बताइएगा।
ठीक।
For the time being,
जी। So
I can say that may not be taken as a final opinion, that with the consent अगर आप लोग तैयार हो तो ग्रीन मफलर में, क्योंकि नॉइस को भी सही उत्तर माना है, इसलिए we will not like to spend much time on that question.
हाँ, दोनों को सही है सर।
इसलिए
जी,
मैं आपको
बिल्कुल आप ठीक है।
और दूसरा ये जो बालकृष्ण नवीन है, इसमें जो है अगर इनको थोड़ा बहुत भी आइडिया होता, क्योंकि एक तो बिल्कुल सही लिखा है इन्होंने आत्मोत्सर्ग के बारे में थोड़ा सा वो है, तो इफ यू हैड एनी आइडिया देन ठीक है, then things would have been ticked rightly. Now it is not that it is not Ganesh Sankar Vidyarthi but somebody else. So wild guess will not help you. So I can say this is my preliminary observation, that in this question, in regard to this question also, we can take the answer given by the PSC in the answer key as Ganesh Sankar Vidyarthi to be correct, and concentrate on these two questions, Amateur Kabaddi Federation and William Bentinck. अगर आप लोग आपका लिखाएंगे नहीं ऐसा कि आपने ऐसे कंसीड कर लिया है, बट ऐसा मुझे, दिस इज माय फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन अबाउट, वी कैन सेव द टाइम ऑफ द एडवोकेट जनरल इफ यू
The time of honorable court is so precious.
Only the my contention was that the frame of question was wrong with respect to that.
क्वेश्चन तो आप चलिए आप सुनते हैं आपको।
जी।
यस, तो मेरे ख्याल से यू कॉन्सेंट्रेट मेनली ऑन दीज टू,
जी।
कबड्डी फेडरेशन एंड विलियम बेंटिक।
बिल्कुल सर। So my lord, first we'll come to Kabaddi Federation.
यस,
So for that, my lord, I would like to refer the bylaws of this federation.
जी जी
My lord, we'll supply copy of bylaws to your
दीजिए।
lordship, and so these bylaws of the Amateur Kabaddi Federation of India speaks about its registered office.
हाँ।
The registered office of the federation will be situated at the place of general secretary or president of the federation whenever elected.
जी
This
ठीक
is
है।
the headquarters. This is they speak about the registered office. Now, my lord, there is some dispute going on with regard to Amateur Kabaddi Federation, my lord,
जी जी
in the Supreme Court,
जी
and the WP number is mentioned as WPC number 4601 of 2013.
जी
Now, this matter is pending consideration before Honorable High Court of Delhi.
जी
Now, in this
ये WPC
WP bracket में
4601,
C,
हाँ, ये सुप्रीम कोर्ट में कि हाई कोर्ट में?
I'm sorry, High Court में,
जी
number 4601 of 2013,
जी
pending before High Court of Delhi.
जी
And my lord, in this matter, one retired honorable judge Shri S.P. Garg Sahab.
हाँ।
He is appointed as administrator,
हाँ।
oblique president of the Amateur Kabaddi
How can
Federation.
he be appointed president? तो elected होगा, administrator हो सकता है अगर body superseded
Administrator
है,
है जी,
not president.
जी जी.
जी.
But he is looking after the affairs of the Kabaddi Federation.
SP Garg
And his
as
letter-
administrator.
Administrator oblique president, Malad, I'll pass on the letterhead
दिखाइएगा.
of honorable judge.
पहले हाई कोर्ट का ऑर्डर दिखाइएगा, उसमें इन्होंने क्या कहा है हाई कोर्ट ने इनको. जज साहब का तो ठीक है. He may be taking pleasure in representing himself to be president, but as far as my knowledge is concerned, in the Societies Registration Act, once a society is superseded, only administrator can be appointed and not the president. हाई कोर्ट का ऑर्डर क्या है दिखाइएगा जिससे कि इनको नियुक्त किया गया है.
So we'll get the order of the High Court.
Please get the order of
get
the
it.
High Court.
Now, my lord, this is the literature which is relied upon by the PSC, my lord, that
जी, जी.
since matter is sub judice, there is no regular president. And the,
Bylaws की भी कॉपी
as-
दे दीजिएगा.
as per the bylaws of the Kabaddi Federation, it is the residence of president and secretary, which is to be regarded as registered office of the federation. And therefore, my lord,
जी. चलिए.
the question was framed with
ठीक.
these options, and the correct option was taken as Delhi.
जी.